Hi and welcome to Newhaven, a fantastic individually architecturally designed 4-bedroom, 3-storey property that is located right on the top of Raleigh Hill with fantastic views behind me. This property features 4 bedrooms, 3 en-suites, 4 reception rooms and a lovely double garage as well. So let's take a look. With the family market in mind, this property offers an abundance of space, and I'm now standing in the main living room, which offers an enormous amount of accommodation with the bifolding doors leading out to a lovely conservatory. You've got French doors over to the patio area with fine views. You've also got the dining room, which interconnects with a kitchen, which also then leads into a lovely utility space. There are also a study and snug and downstairs toilet, all on this floor alone. Again, the bedrooms in Newhaven are particularly spacious, 3 of which are really large doubles, all housing their own bathrooms as well. This one, which we're standing in, is the master bedroom suite, which stretches over 26 foot in length, incorporating 2 sets of fitted wardrobes, as well as a lovely ensuite, including dual aspect dormer windows. If you're looking for a property just like this one here, do give Fine & Country a call today on 01 237 426 018. Look forward to your call.